sublimation paper is the only paper that I will use for my small sublimation business. As a small business owner, I need products that I can rely on, and A-Sub is the #1 brand of sublimation paper out there. I always choose A-Sub sublimation paper because it is fast drying. First off, when you're printing out those prints, you want to be sure you can use them pretty quickly. You don't want to be waiting for your ink to dry, and this paper dries really, really quickly. It also has great print definition. The colors come out vivid every single time. Also, it's boxed really nicely. Sometimes you get other papers and they are bent and they don't go through your printer very well. Because this paper comes in a box and shrink wrapped, then it's always flat when you get it. I have consistent results with A-Sub sublimation paper. I'm going to share with you some of the projects that I create using A-Sub. As you can see, my products always come out looking so great after pressing. The colors are so vivid. I always know I can rely on A-Sub sublimation paper for my small business. If you have found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you gave me a like and a subscribe, and also be sure to use the link down below because you can get 12% off your order of A-Sub sublimation paper directly from the company.